Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful morning. You got your coffee. What's up? Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're having a good morning. Let's get into the charts today. We might be coming down into a trade already. Pretty wild. All right. Well, it's the morning. Coming down into VWAP. A nice pump overnight. Asia seems to be a little bit ready to go. Big old push all the way up last night. Nice slow and steady price action. Coming back right now into VWAP, into an order block down below in here. I like this, but we'll see how price reacts this morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Good morning to you guys. Rashad's in here. Massey's in here. Crypto Traveler, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Jay Violet, what's going on? I'm so early. I know you're very early. You guys were all early this morning. A battle for the first comment. A battle. You guys are no messing around. Hitting us with the elevator music today. Yeah. Yeah, I started it early, but I figured I'd put on some music. Okay, next time no music. I'll just leave it quiet. How about that? Yeah, I think so. Let's get after it relentlessly. Good morning. Forget about it. What's going on? How's the mic? I messed around a little. To you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Kuro-sama, what's going on, Mr. Vietnam? Goldie Crypto, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Ima, good morning. Nigeria, awesome. Shredder, good morning. Donato Cabrera. One Harmony, good morning. Good to see you as well. Anonymous, Steve Hickey, John Foster Crypto, Seymour Liddy, Otter Gang. Tony Soprano, Huddle Crypto, Jesse Galluck, Ill Hero, Harmon Deep. Sup, gang? How did you do yesterday? So we did take a loss yesterday on the live. I managed to scalp my way back into profits, but we did take a $400 loss yesterday. So yesterday was a down day, and I kind of went like ham on the charts after and went like on a scalping spree. And just totally like attack the charts. Maybe a little bit of revenge trading, but I went off on the charts here just to kind of break even for the day. Get back into hopefully you develop the skills to get back and get on the horse and kick some ass even after you take a loss. That's losing is part of trading, and that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. We got any mic comments here? Is the mic all right, guys? Nobody's telling me how good the mic is. Mic is fine, but now you're lagging. Oh, God. Are we starting one of those days today? Your stream is healthy, but I am lagging. Interesting. A little bit. Maybe that's better, Billy. Mic is glitching. Glitching, clipping. It's buffering a lot today. I'm telling you, it's minus 14. And it's cold, and it's probably slow. Does cold weather affect the internet? I'm not sure about that. Tim Young, good morning to you. Wretched, good morning. Jesse Galuck, good morning. BC Port Corp, what's going on? Tony Soprano, Sniper's Nightmare. He's sorting the tools out in the garage and buying more. With Sniper's Nightmare, either he's buying tools or he's buying fishing gear. He's probably got more lures than I don't know. We would have to have a tool off. Like I have a boatload of tools, man. A boatload. What's going on, J Violet, BC Port Corp? Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Gang, I'm here. Be right back. But first, coffee. Get it, Darren. Get that coffee in you, man. Good morning, everybody. Grandmaster Ape, good to see you as well. Blair Stevenson, like 28 is Dave Digital, my man. Good morning, Dave. How's it going, brother? Good to see you, Ernie, as well. Zeno with the pink hand. Okay, you guys are great. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Got a little profit on BTC overnight. Just put a long on Melania. Whew. He's going after that first lady. It's Melania. I know. Come on, guys. It's Melania. I can hear him say it. Donald Trump correcting me. Moho, what's going on? Captain Pancakes, good morning. Mr. Captain Pancakes. We're happy you're here, man. We're happy you're here. BC Port Corp, R Pink, One Harmony. I will do some new music for you. That would be wonderful, man. That would be wonderful. Crypto Focus, good morning, everybody. May yesterday be what progresses you even further today. Everyday work will gain you your success. I love it, man. I love the attitude. That's great. We are putting a poll up 3 times the stream now for clicks, right? We like talking about food here, man. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. I've realized this is that, if there's something we need to debate, it's food. We always end up at food, whether it's fruit. Today we're doing pastries, okay? We're doing because honestly, the only health issue I have right now is I have mild cholesterol, okay? Because I'm telling you, I can't walk by Danishes without stopping, okay? I have an issue with cherry cheese Danishes, okay? Or lemon Danishes. Oh my God, I tell you. But it's not really for engagement. No, it's just to have a good conversation. I like having a chat here. And if it does promote engagement, then that's great. It's great. It's good to have engagement, isn't it? So that we can all have a nice chat while we try not to stress over the charts. Mac the man, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Welsh Jesse, Crypto Billy in the chat. Let's see some CBs for Crypto Billy. Maybe some DDs for Dave Digital. We love those DDs, Dave Digital. Good to see you as well. We also got some Tony Sopranos in here and some Sniper's Nightmare. I can go nuts with the emojis, but you guys, that's for you guys to do. Kurisoma, Jesse Galuk, Kulak, good morning, Crypto Focus, Otter, gang, Grandmaster Ape, good to see you. You guys are incredible. Please get a new mic and plug it in properly. No issues with the stream. Okay. Jesse, thank you. I'm going to have to get a wish.com mic, though. Rolling over here, coming into our key level, bouncing off VWAP. We'll see how it reacts here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, looking for the long here. Coming down. Yeah. It's trying. The stream does feel a little bit laggy today. It does, I won't lie. It says the stream is healthy and in excellent condition. Okay, so maybe YouTube's a liar. See, look, stream is healthy, excellent condition. So, 142 people in here, 50 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Yo, gang, what's going on? Daniel, 1994. Good year, man. Good to see you. Tim Tortelloni, Crypto Birdie, Tony Soprano, Meme TV, Jay Violet. Scheme Trees. I'm going to mess up your name so bad. Shay Ka. Scalping is hard, but you do it well. Thank you so much for the kind words. That means a lot to me. I need to practice. Shemetrice or Shemetrice? I'm going to go Shemetrice. Did I fail? I feel like I failed you. I'm sorry. Your good lag was earlier. Buffering a lot, mate. Okay, so we're buffering a lot. That's weird. We're gonna have a tool off in the Discord. Let's go. I mean, I've been collecting tools for like 15 years. I got like 3 of everything, which is bad. But you know, if you know, you know. No problem at all, says Crypto Focus. Goldie Crypto. I have over 300 lures. Tools I have built up again, halfway filling roller chest and got 4 more boxes to fill. I'll have to give you a tour of my tools. I got like 2 chop saws, 2 table saws. It's a problem. Wild Berries, good morning. All the best. Thank you. Wild Berries, we got the US 100. So Wild Berries messaged me yesterday, which I do appreciate. And he said, the NASDAQ's lagging, so you probably want to look at US 100. So we're going to look, you know how I check NASDAQ for Confluence, okay? So we're going to check the US 100 for Confluence today and see if it gives us a little bit more of an edge, okay? He says it's still lagging, but it's less lagging. So hopefully this helps us on our beautiful trading journey a little bit more, and I do appreciate that. That's the importance of community. So thank you, Wild Berries, for coming through and suggesting that to me yesterday evening. I appreciate that. Are you making a song, Alexo? Theme for max headroom? Only catching every 11th word. Are we still chopping? All right. I need you guys to let me know if the stream is okay. Don't make me do a poll about it. I'll do a poll if it's still lagging. Stream is fine. Stream is good. Okay. Otter gang. Stream okay. It's good now, bro. It's good. Beautiful. Stream is fine. Your stream is good. Good. Stop these poop polls. No problem. Good morning to you, man. Crypto Creek. I think you woke up in Schitt's Creek this morning. Anyways, good morning, beautiful, beautiful people. Thank you for being here. Stream is perfect. Oh, man. You gotta love it, man. You got wish.com Mike. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I've never stressed with the Danish in my hand. You know, everybody else's polls, when you go into YouTube channels, it's always up or down. I don't care what you say. Up or down, 100K, 70K first. It's always who wants to talk about 100K? Yeah, it's got to get to 100K. No shit. I'm sorry. It just upsets me. Why can't we just be human and have a nice conversation about pastry? Straight into the sin bin. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. So, a little fake out onto VWAP coming into this order block in here. Stream has been good for a while. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Luke Bailey, good to see you. Bart, all good. Ill Hero. Crypto Birdie, sound is good now. Captain Pancakes, good. We need a pancake poll. We'll do a pancake poll after. You guys, so what? Okay, now you guys got to tell me, what is your cookie of choice? You need to tell me what your cookie of choice is. I like a good custard cream. Custard cream or white Mac chocolate chip. Got to be moist. It's got to be moist though. Moist. You can record that. Moist. Okay? What is your cookie of choice? We're going to have to do a poll on cookies now. Peanut butter. Peanut butter chocolate. Here we go. See? This double chocolate chips. Custard cream. It's a custard cream. It's a UK cookie, okay? Biscuit. They call them biscuits, by the way. My wife is quick to correct me. Okay, a little chop in here. Good volume this morning, so picking up here. VWAP coming back into VWAP. You can see VWAP's acted as really a support. Actually, our standard deviation 1 has. This is pretty aggressive here. We could come down here, but we're pretty overextended. So if we're looking at this, zoomed out a bit, okay, which is important, we can see, while you guys debate your cookies, okay, V-shaped recovery, okay, breaking down yesterday, coming into the liquidity of this low here, not even sweeping the low, which is pretty wild. So we didn't get in here, break it down now, right, and then chop all the way back up, which is good. I was looking to long in here, but it was late, okay? Way past my bedtime, around 8 o'clock. Got the break and the continuation, okay? We were looking at, some longs as well. Like, I think we were looking at ETH. I think Lorelei went long on ETH. Pretty nice. Breakout retest here on ETH. So I like this. This is setup I was going to share, but it's up to you guys if you want. But breakout, retest, continuation trade on Ethereum, very possible, okay? Very possible. Otherwise, if we're coming down much lower, okay? Looking at this, what have we done? Not a hell of a lot, right? Like, obviously, we missed the short here yesterday. That would have been easy. We were planning that the whole day, and we didn't take it. Very frustrating not taking that short. I was able to scalp all within this yesterday and make some good money. Okay, nice positive day yesterday for me after the live stream. Okay, so sometimes you got to take it into your own hands, okay? Because we're not going to be perfect, right? It's trading, right? It's trading, right? So if we're looking at our cumulative days here in February, we've been doing fine and dandy, okay? Fine and dandy, okay? 170, 590, 314, 520, okay? And we're already up $130 today, and we haven't taken a trade. So we're doing good, right? But hopefully you guys learn the skills here. We take some trades here. We've taken a lot of great trades, okay? We just missed that short yesterday. A little bit frustrating, especially when we had it all set up and ready to go, the whole stream, and then we didn't take it, which was, right? I'm going to pull a fib here just to see where we're at. Yeah, so this would be our fib zone that we are interested in, 97.2. Okay. Right now, a little fake out into VWAP. We do have a nice order block in here. Looking for a continuation. That's a 382 bounce level as well. So we got double confluence in here. If we are going to continue, that would be ideal as, an aggressive bounce out of a 382 coming up to that order block at about $100,000. We want to challenge $100,000, I think, right? We didn't come down to our bounce level yesterday, right? I was looking for this. Bullish divergence, continuation out, right? We got the continuation out. It's more of a double bottom, right? If we're looking at this very normally, we can see that, double bottom, continuation out. We haven't mitigated this high above us here, so that would be the first job of this push up is to come and take this high, and then we can retrace to anywhere in here, really, and look for continuation. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Just means that we should be prepared for that, okay? Still on the table here, but patience will prevail. Okay, let's go into this. Looking at bounce off VWAP. Let's see if we get it coming in here. Possible long. I want to see a good reaction down into VWAP as we roll over. I'm obviously watching price action on the other screen, so just trying to stay prepared here. Don't want to miss out. We have fear of missing out. And I would love to know what kind of cookies you guys are all about here. I'm trying to see here. Monte Carlo cookies? Dirt cookies. Chocolate chip. Double chocolate chips. Coconut chocolate chip. That sounds fancy, man. Double chocolate chip. We got a lot of chocolate chip in here. Okay, we're gonna have to do cookie. Put the cookie down. Chalk chip. Peanut butter. Right? White Mac. You know. What else do we got in here? A bourbon. You guys, Luke, they won't know what a bourbon is. I mean, our British people will know what a bourbon is. A jammy dodger. Have you guys ever had a jammy dodger? A jammy dodger. All of our Americans, you need to try a jammy dodger. Okay, this is a jammy dodger. You got to say it like that too. This is a jammy dodger. These are I think they're disgusting in my opinion, but this is a jammy dodger. Okay, a bourbon's it's not alcohol, it's a chocolate. A bourbon's a chocolate cookie. We have a similar type in North America as well. That's a bourbon there. Okay. Rolling over here into VWAP, coming now. Other, let me know. Okay, rolling in. Come on. This is painful. Painful. Okay, visiting VWAP here. No trade yet. I would like to see it hit VWAP and then bounce. I'd be more comfortable with the trade taking it here than here. Okay. And then we can look for this to bottom out here and then return at least up into standard deviation 1. My God, this is like watching paint dry. Dirt cake was my childhood. Let's go, Bascruton. Those mud pies, right? Good morning, Justice Sub. Have you ever used volume profile? It seems like a good indicator. I use fixed range volume profile all the time. All the time. If that's what you're getting at. Or the VRVP, that stupid one on the side that's dynamic. I hate that one. This one, that's like dynamic. I hate that one. The one that goes like this, when you move your charts around, I hate that one. That one makes me upset. That's a VRVP, I'm pretty sure. A lot of people, yeah. A lot of people will put this on the side of their chart. I used to. But it's dynamic, right? It's going to adjust to what's on the screen. Right? Not my cup of tea. I'd rather pull it and have my levels for that area. And I could be more specific here. I can go to like key dates, so I can be like, okay, start of the day. This is our daily fixed range volume profile, right? Within this area, this is what we're looking for. We're at the value area low. We're looking to come up to the point of control, possibly up to the value area high, right, on the day. I'd rather put in a little bit more work to be a little bit more accurate if I'm going to use a volume profile. That's just it's my prerogative. I just went there. Fake out. This is morning trading. We do have some news coming out in 3 minutes, okay? We got 3 minutes. Let's see how it reacts. It's not heavy news, but it's news nonetheless. We got initial jobless claims coming out and non-farm, okay? Non-farm initial jobless coming out and unit labor costs, okay? Yeah, they're loading right now. Okay? Just so we know why we're waiting right now. We're waiting for these guys here. Little fake out on the VWAP here. No. Not low enough for me. Meow. Says French Toaster. The first pop-up notification. Mr. Toaster. Good morning, Shiver. Good to see you. Is there any way to turn the pop-ups? Like when the data comes on here, is there any way to turn off the pop-ups when it happens? That's like just super annoying on this economic calendar. Like it loads, but then you get you'll get like 5 pop-ups and you can't even see the data or the data, whatever you want to call it. You can call me data. Gooey butter cookies. Ooh. You just went there. Did you really sleep if you weren't, for some reason, concerned about the pennies you left to ferment in a boot? Love the experience in having amnesia about my vivid nocturnal hallucinations. Good morning, Wick. Good to see you, man. How's it going? And wifey, how's it going, wifey? Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys. How was your sleep last night? Did you have some good night, Jay Violet? Did you have some wild dreams? It sounds like it. Get a pop-up blocker. I have pop-up blocker on here, right? Ad block. But it's once the data is released, it pops it up. Just bounced? Okay, Massey. Is unemployment news out? That'll be Friday. See, look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Annoying. Okay, so coming out now. Initial jobless claims is the important one. 219. Okay, so it came in hot. 1.2 came under. 3 came under. How's the Dixie reacting? No reaction. US 100, NASDAQ. Same deal here. Okay. A little bit of a burger. A little bit of a burger. But you see how it pops up there? I don't know. There's notifications here. Clear all. Little push up here happening for Bitcoin. Not interested. I need to see, like, if I'm going to take this trade, it has to come into here and then go. Not for me. Now we're looking for this. We got to break the structure in here. Now I want some damn cookies, man. Our pink. You need to block notifications. Okay. I'll look into doing that. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. I do appreciate you guys are smart, man. I think I'm in three longs need good news. Okay. Do have momentum curving up here on the 5 minute. We got bullish divergence in here now. Okay. Not, trickling down. Pig nipples, right? You're looking for that trigger wave is what you're looking for, really. And for this thing to come down in here like that, bang, trigger wave, bang, like that. If this, then that, right? If this, then that. Patience will prevail. Let's go top down for now as Bitcoin's pushing up. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 230 people in here. 71 likes. Thank you guys for smashing up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. 271. Sorry, it just changed. Thank you. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Helping you guys navigate these charts. Making money, acting funny. That's kind of how we roll here. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. Daily, coming up, hidden bullish divergence, right? Still watching that. Looking for VWAP crossover right now. Money is in the red. Okay, just dipping its toes. But look at this, look at this, look at this, okay? This could be interesting, to say the least, okay? To say the least. We'll see how it goes. So we're watching this very, very closely. We'll see how it continues to materialize. Bitcoin ripping right now. Yeah, we could have taken this trade. Not ideal, in my opinion. Okay? Looking at market structure. We're just trickling down here, really chopping around, not really having direction, right? So for me, it's like, let's be patient here, okay? Let's be patient. With the 12-hour trigger wave here, it took a little bit longer than expected here, pushing onwards and upwards, confirming that green dot, trying to go, right? So we got a low and a high here, anchor trigger wave that's coming in mainly on the 4-hour time frame, which does look good. Okay, we obviously have this downtrending momentum here. We could, get on our 4-hour and mark this out and look for us for like a break and retest and continuation. We're pretty much on the brink of that now, so we could look for this if you're swing trading. If you're looking for that could be quite lucrative if it does work. Okay, so something to keep in mind. We never really came down to that 618, which is concerning in my opinion, but this is corrective, and then we can look for this to continue quite possibly. Okay, nice push up last night. We got 3 white soldiers here on our 4-hour, and then we also have this anchor trigger wave here. So this is juicy. Money is coming back in, trying to reclaim the 50% line on stochastics. A little bit overextended here on our VWAP. So this could cool off first before continuing upwards. Remember, VWAP's quick, right? So it's going to do hopefully something like that, where it comes down and it pops up, okay? With money coming in, momentum coming in, and then VWAP resetting would be the ideal area for a potential long. I don't think we're ready for that move yet. I think this will come into play tomorrow for unemployment data. Okay, I think we if we push up a little bit today, we could be above here and maybe look for that continuation trade. Okay, the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, it's that same kind of deal. Trying to get above here. But as we get into our 2 and our 1 hour, we can see we're starting to get a trigger wave. Okay. Yes, money is coming back in. However, this is still possible for some downside, right? We are still in a downtrend. If we're on the short-term time frames, we're in a downtrend, right? So we should be favoring shorts typically, but we are in a macro uptrend. So we do want to catch that long, baby. So we'll see how this goes. Money coming in, which is good, but trigger wave coming out. So controversial here, especially on our 1 hour here. I believe we do have a confirmed red dot, yeah, and VWAP crossing to the downside. Okay, so a little bit of patience will prevail as normal. We can look for the retrace continuation here, 382 bounce. We can look for the 618 bounce, acceptance into the middle of the range, holding above 98,000, which is going to be critical. Trying to get above 100,000, okay? Next level of resistance, 95.2, our support level. Okay, so this is our hot dog, right? Here's our buns. We want to buy low, sell high, okay? Keeping it very simple and prepared, okay? Not trying to get over ambitious right now. Weekly's coming out, right? 3-day, same deal coming out. Trying to pop back up here on the 3-day. So a little bit of hopium if we can ramp back up into this green money flow. That would be bullish in my opinion. So looking for a possible trigger wave to come on a 3-day. We'll see how that gets into the rest of the day. But right now, pretty nasty. Very choppy price action. Okay, it's a round trip here. Okay, if you like to round trip your price and your trades, this is the price action for you. If you do not pay yourself within these areas, you're going to go around the merry-go-round, okay? This is the first leg that I've seen that hasn't round tripped us, right? Round trip, round trip, round trip, okay? Round trip, okay? So careful. Good risk management, take profits, pay yourselves, all that good stuff. 24-minute double top here, coming down. Little green dot trigger wave here, trying to push up off of VWAP this morning. Okay, this was no trade. I mean, there was a way to justify this if you really wanted to, but you break a structure, putting in a low, higher low, continuation trade. You go swing low to swing high here, probably a 786. 786 golden pocket retracement for continuation in here. Right, we were looking lower into our VWAP / order block. We didn't get that bounce. Okay, so we wait, which is fine. This is probably a golden pocket retracement from here. Hitting this, yeah. So we're hitting that. This is where you would potentially look for a short for this thing to come down. Okay, so looking for the rejection from here back into here. Not a trade I'm going to take here. Not something I'm interested in. Okay. But this is for all you Fibonacci traders, this would be a possible continuation short trade in here. Okay. If you're interested. Just I'll give it to you, but I'm not taking this one. Not taking this. So it's only 8:40. Let's not, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'd be more interested in lower. Okay? More interested in lower for sure. My chat has disappeared. I guess too much cookies, man. Too much cookies. We're going to have to pop this out here. New chat. They want me to refresh your chat. So let's refresh the chat. Let's say hello to everyone. If you are new here, subscribe. Thank you for being here. We're live every morning. Hanging out with you guys, talking about cookies, making money, baby. Nothing better. How do you want to start your day? Do you want to start your day with up or down pulls and boring? Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm dad. Tacos, hot dog zone. Yeah, that hot dog zone. I'm hungry. Good morning. Gonna be lurking. Good to see you, Sean. Thank you for saying good morning, Crunk. Good morning to you, Tony Soprano. I had a Coca-Cola flavored Oreos. That sounds very American. We got chocolate chip dominance in here, man. It's like Bitcoin dominance right now. Bitcoin dominance is higher than the chocolate chip dominance. Oreo tiramisu. You guys are crazy, man. Yeah, you guys better be coming to Vegas. I'm going golfing. Me and Tradefly are gonna put something together. So Tradefly and I from the Piper Academy are going golfing. Maybe we get Piper to drive the cart. But we were thinking if one of the people from the stream want to come golfing, you're more than we're gonna split your green fee. We'll pay. You can use Tradefly's clubs because you're not touching mine. That's just honest, man. I don't think I'd let I barely let my friends touch my clubs. They're Is that mean? That's mean. You can use my clubs on one condition. You be nice to them, okay? You be nice to them. But we want to take someone golfing with us, okay? You need 4 to tango. I mean, me and Tradefly can go by ourselves. I'm gonna vlog it. I'm gonna, bring the camera, talk a lot of smack, kick Tradefly's ass, hopefully, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna talk to him. We want to bring someone golfing with us. So Bitcoin 2025 Vegas golfing. I'm bringing my golf bag and everything, okay? And we would love to have someone come and golf with us. That would be great. Pringles. Are we doing chips next? Uh-oh. It's not chips, it's crisps, Alex. It's crisps. It's crisps. I will be in Vegas. Let's meet up. Yeah, absolutely. You can find me. Your clubs are only good to play mini golf for me. I was going to say, Tony, if you're looking for me in Vegas, it's not hard. You just look down. You'll find me. I'm just down there. I also will have my own midget tossing booth where, I will wear the Velcro. I will be wearing the Velcro, right? So I'll have my booth. Here will be my booth, right? And you guys, I'll have a big target on the wall. Okay. Maybe we'll do a fib circle. Okay, I'll have a big target, and you guys can chuck me. I'll wear the you guys can throw me for money, okay? And see if you can hit the target. Midget tossing booth, Bitcoin 2025, Alex Crypto, okay? Very scam wickety this morning, guys. This is I don't like it. Very quick pump up, this is 0.5%. Yeah, so quick too. So a little push, but nothing I want to trade just yet. It could be the cameraman. No, that'd be fun. That would be fun. Shout out from the valley. Let's go. I'm flying out, so I'm flying out from Canada, man. I'm leaving my igloo to come see you Americans. Maybe someone will adopt me. Tony Soprano needs my mini putter. Yeah. I actually I'm going to admit it right now, Tony. I actually had my clubs shortened for my height. So they're actually like an inch and a bit shorter for my height because, I play mini golf. So they might be, yeah, you're 6'2", right? So they might be too small for you. What kind of clubs do you have? I have a set of T100s, Titleists, good shafts. I have a TSR driver. I have a TSR 3-wood. I have a Scotty Cameron putter. I have all Vokey wedges. I'm kind of decked out, man. Not gonna lie. I spent too much money on my clubs. My wife does not let me buy any more clubs now. So that's crypto gains, baby. Crypto paid for my clubs. Good afternoon, Glory Wolf. Good to see you. Just a sub. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 290 people in here. We're talking about golf clubs right now, but we're waiting for this trade. My grandparents spent thousands of dollars on my golf lessons as a kid, and I still suck. Yeah. You can't say the M word. It's little people. You can if you're a little person, right? They're my people, so I can say the M word. I think 4'10" is legal midget. So maybe I'm not one of them. 4'10". And I mean, good things come in small packages. Chantel, good morning. Brian Rhodes, Pelly Photography, Alex O'Crispo. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Yeah, clubs are expensive and people don't know how to golf. Rent some. Yeah, absolutely. But we'll split your green fees. We'll pay for you to come. I'll even rent you clubs. I'll even rent you clubs. Okay? M like Migger. Yes, exactly. Exactly. You got me there, Pele. That's true. Hit the like button. This is utterly fantastic. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons. You guys are trying to get me in trouble now. Don't make me not read. But the clubs don't help. Still trash. Yeah, it's so true. It's so true. I thought the clubs would make me really good. I mean, I shoot low 80s. My goal is to break 80s this year. That's my goal. I've been taking some lessons every Tuesday, and they aren't really helping. I'm not gonna lie. They are. I mean, I don't feel like I've gotten any better or any worse, but oh man, I don't know if I can pull it up here. Review in your clubhouse. No, I can't. Oh, I can't log in. French Toasty still might be a golf pro one day. That's it, right? So rejection off of our golden pocket standard deviation 1 coming down right now. So I said there was a short here, but I wasn't going to take it. This is just not for me. This is like an aggressive push-up. So it's like grabbing shorts, late shorts. Top of the range, right? So failure to mitigate the high, though. That's the concern right now. We haven't taken this high over here. Just like yesterday, man. If we're going to get caught out, it's going to be just like yesterday, and I'm going to be upset where we don't short the mitigation of the high. And guess what? It's probably going to do the opposite today. Okay? It's probably going to blast right through it. Because yesterday we didn't take this trade, and we should have. And now it's probably going to fake us out and then blast right through and stop us out. That's my guess. If we're going off of what happened yesterday and I feel like when I'm off screen and I'm trading, and obviously you guys seen my last like 6 trades, like I'm crushing it. I'm seeing the charts good. And I get on here and you guys psych me out, man. I think it's your guys' fault. Can I blame you guys? Am I allowed to? I think that's valid. We got 300 people in here and only 115 likes. I think it's valid. I think you guys can be my scapegoat today. How about that? I'll feed and water your moose while you're out. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, this is my my spirit animal is a moose. I love moose. You know, me and my wife, this is Wolverine riding a moose. Nothing more Canadian than that. Wolverine's Canadian, by the way, just so you know. But me and my wife, instead of calling each other deer, we call each other moose. I'm not even lying. Like full on, I call my wife Moose more than I call her by her name. More than I call her anything else. I call her Moose. She calls me Moose. It's just our thing. We love moose. Moose are beautiful, majestic animals. Wouldn't let my friends touch my clubs either. That's it, right? You guys make me laugh. Oh man, I can't read some of your comments. You guys are naughty this morning. So big question, are you going to shoot some machine guns in Vegas? I've never shot a machine gun. Should I do that, Buck? Maybe Piper can take me shooting. I mean, we go hunting here. We call it hunting. We don't call it hunting. It's hunting. I mean, I have shot, regular hunting rifles, shotguns, but I've never shot a automatic weapon. Oh, America. So maybe you guys bring me shooting, and I'll show you how to shoot some golf. Guys are great. No, douchebag, we aren't your scapegoat. Thanks, Satoshi. That's kind of you to say. That's so kind of you. V Monitor, good morning to you. Tom the Bandit, good morning to you. Short game will shave the strokes off. Yeah, love that. I got that beautiful low 80s in the front or back nine. No, low 80s. Like I averaged about an 82, 84 score. Like of course you have a couple blow up rounds where you shoot, mid 90s. There's always those ones, but average like mid to low 80s for sure. For sure. I mean, I drive the ball, even for a 5'4" hobbit. We won't say the M word anymore. I drive the ball about 280 carry, which is pretty awesome. I can creep up to 300 if I really go at it, but it gets very sloppy when I do that. How about we go fishing? I'm down. I love fishing. Get the trolling motor out. Get Sniper's Nightmare to bring all his lures. Alex called me a bigger person. You guys are on one this morning. I love it. I love it. Really keeping me on my toes. You grabbed one. You took that short there, Brian Rhodes. Awesome, man. That's good. Yeah, I'm not looking for this here, but that's a good entry. Fair value gap in here, right? Little fair value gap. Golden pocket, retracement, okay, mitigation of the low. So typically you're looking for this thing to break down now because you've broke structure here, right? So you're looking for this, if anything. This can do a 3 drive, so that's the concern, into here and then come down. Okay. Good coffee this morning. Oh man. 24 coming back in. Okay, so we have flattening out of money, which is good. VWAP crossover, rounding on the bottom here on our 24 minutes. So a potential continuation push here. The 1 hour is concerning though. When we go to the 1 hour, green stochastics above the 50% line, which is good, but I would like to see the VWAP cross back over. That would be ideal. Hammer candle, engulfing, down, yep. I guess this would be your giant balloon dog, guys. So you got your giant balloon dog here. Okay. There's your giant balloon dog pattern. He's got a little bit of an arched back. He's probably like a Chihuahua or something. But you got your balloon dog here. Love me a balloon dog pattern. So good. So good. Continuation here. Double top breakdown. Double top breakdown or 786 maybe. 786 rejection. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here, talking a lot of smack today. I love it. I love a good chat. I love a good smack talk, okay? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. In the same boat, didn't take the short and the long. Got chopped up trying to get in the trade. Okay, so no trade is better than getting chopped up. Right now, I didn't like the low here. We obviously had the little bull divs in here, not really. Yeah, not something I like. Good little range here, though. Like this, if we're range bound here, we got a 1.5% range. Easy money if we're able to catch the lows and the highs, right? Right now, we're very much in the hot dog zone, okay? So cautious here. We want to buy the buns, baby. We like the buns, but we do not want to get noodle slapped, okay? Someone put it very good. The hot dog down the hallway. So I guess this would be your hallway, right? Right? And this would be your hot dog, right? So you don't want to be trading in the hot dog down the hallway. Whatever works for you mentally. I mean, I'm a bit mental, I guess you would say with my analogies, but we press buy and sell quite successfully here. So it seems to be working. Why change it, right? Why change it? How much leverage do you use? Here you go, man. Risk. There's your answer. That's all of it there. Oh, Tony's already done it. We're going to bring Sniper's Nightmare. I'm going to fly out Sniper's Nightmare and Tony Soprano, and we're going to go to the gun range. We're going to end this poll here. Okay? Here, we can be a regular crypto show here. Okay? Here's your regular crypto show poll. Let's have a conversation. There you go. You happy? Bitcoin dominance double top. Great. That's good. Jacob Dorton, good morning to you. Raphael, good morning to you. I'm retired Army infantry. Thank you, Dusty Hunt, for your service. VW John says, peace out. Have a good one, man. Take care. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, hanging out. We got 300. How many? 300. 309 people here? Holy smokes. What's going on, everybody? 310 people here. 137 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting the channel. No trade yet. Just chopping around in here. Rejecting off golden pocket double top, as we said. So we'll see how this continues. RS Miller in the chat. Good morning to you. Just lurking. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Gatling gun out of a helicopter. Like total Arnold. That would be cool. That would be cool. How was that, Massey? Was it fun or was it not as exciting as you thought it would be? Machine guns are boring in my opinion. Yeah, I'd like to go like full on sniper rifle. You didn't want to call her Beaver? No, leave it to Beaver, man. SHOT Show in Vegas. Okay, we'll have to figure something out. I mean, I'm there for 5 days. Week 589. Golden Wolf, thank you for being here. Captain Pancakes, Jacob Dorton, thank you for being here. Alan, let's be nice now. Come on, Alan. you guys are really sabotaging the chat this morning, man. Things that I shouldn't be reading. You guys got me a couple times. I'm On what time frame does the bun hot dog method work best? I would say like a 15. Right? Where's your bun and hot dog, right? You got this would be your bun, this would be your hot dog, right? As soon as you come in and develop a range, high, low, there's your hot dog bun, okay? Right there. Sell, which we should have yesterday. Buy, which we should have last night, but it was late, okay? There's your hot dog. Don't be traded in here, okay? Now, obviously, we're scalping, so we are a much lower time frame. So what do we have here? A low and a high and our hot dog, right? Established range. Prices range bound 80% of the time. So we want to take advantage of that, right? Buying low, selling high. People tell you to do it. Buy low, sell high. But it's not they don't explain why you do it or where to do it or how to break it down. Value areas are good for this. So if you do have a fixed range volume profile, you can pull that. Look, and you got a high. You kind of missed it there and a low in here. Okay. But you can easily see it. You guys are all smart. You all have a good brain on your head, right? So use it. I would suggest using that before you're clicking on indicators and getting this thing to tell you what's going on. I think if you use your brain, you'll be much more efficient, right? Oh, look, we're up high. I should sell. Oh, look, you got to, not common sense, but I think after looking at the charts for so long, you should be able to see these things. Haven't looked at this oscillator in a while. Bull div in here. Yeah. Not really helping me out too much, so I shut her down a bit. Said, get that garbage out of here. We have money creeping in here. VWAP acting as support. Not giving us a lot this morning. I mean, not giving us a lot on the whole way up here. Okay. I'm gonna go and refill my coffee cup. Ooh, I shouldn't share all that, should I? All my documents. I'm gonna go refill my coffee cup. Be safe out there. I need more coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Oh my God, price has gone crazy. Okay. We lost all of our viewers. 270 people. We lost 30 people, man. Can't a man get a coffee? Double top here coming down this morning, 9:07. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out. Streamlabs not working. The risk thing isn't working? What? That's not true. I guess I'll have to reset it. You can't rent a tank in Vegas. Okay, no 786 touch here. Coming down. Looking for the short higher. We'll see if we do get this touch into VWAP here coming down. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Coming down in here, higher low so far. I want to see a sweep of the low, bullish divergence. Coming down. I want to see this, okay? Volume picking up here on the drop. This is a continuation though, remember that, okay? So break a structure, golden pocket, continuation, right? So really want to see confirmation of the bounce in here, otherwise no trade. Could be the higher low in here, and it could continue upwards, okay? It's not for us to decide. I'm only taking the trade if we do get the sweep into VWAP here. Just waiting here. Yeah, so the risk button isn't working right now. Put in $100,000 on a trade, 44x leverage, $10,000 on the account, trading $100,000 account, risking 0.3% to make 1% per trade, $300 to make $900. That's the quick version of it. Okay. What VWAP indicator are you using? I'm using standard deviations V2 mod, okay? It just gives you standard deviations. I use the 2.5, the 2, and the 1. Just deviations off of the regular VWAP here, okay? Regular VWAP, deviation 1, 2, 2.5, okay? I treat the 2 and the 2.5 out here as like a Bollinger Band. So anytime you deviate away from VWAP, you tend to return to it. And then regular VWAP's regular VWAP, right? Sometimes you can hold the trend on the one deviation. As you can see on your way up here, you held the 1 all the way up, which is good. $310 people here, 154 legs. Can we get to 200 today? That would be incredible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out with me. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. So thank you very much, everybody, for subscribing and hanging out here. It used to be just me and Tony Soprano and my grandma. My grandma on 3 accounts. No, you do not want to hear me rap, bro. Yo, yo. Otter gang, gang, gang. I was Russian. What were you? What are you now? What are you now, man? Still here making breakfast for family. Awesome, man. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your breakfast. Buck, good to see you. The wall. I don't use EMAs that much, my friend. I do have like a 55, a 21, and a 9 here that I do experiment with sometimes. Mostly in trending, right? Trending markets. You can throw on your EMAs, but I don't use them that much. Especially scalping. It's not my forte. I think Crypto Lifer uses moving averages a lot. If you're interested in moving average trading, that's where I would go. Not something I use that much. Wouldn't want to give you experience I don't have. That's something we do pride ourselves on here. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. F1, good morning. How's it going? Good to see you. Arpad. Hey there. What's going on? Say that again too fast. Put it on 0.5 and rewind the stream. 44x leverage, putting $100,000 on it per trade. Risking 0.3 to make 1%, 300 to make 900, $100,000 trading account. Holding $10,000 on the exchange, using the leverage to make up for the exchange. Not holding all my money on one exchange. Very simple. This can't be our bounce, man. This is dirty. Look at this chop, man. This is... 5-minute trigger to the downside. VWAP money crossover. Okay, no trade. Money coming out quite aggressively on the 8, 12, 15, reset. Money's good on the 15, trigger wave. Okay. That's where it really changes. 24, looking to ramp back in. Rejection on VWAP here. Okay. Struggling. Steve Ruggles. It's our previous daily open. Okay. Stuck in the middle with you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you do want to take your trading further, you can come over and hang out in our Discord. A great group of people. Amazing traders, helping traders. Talking hockey this morning. We do have a sale on our membership right now, $1 a day, where you get access to all of our traders, myself included. We do live streams. We went over using an exchange yesterday and how to be quick with your limit entries and exits. Exchange efficiency we went over. You get signals, setups, ideas, a whole bunch of ideas posted yesterday. My updates in the morning. Kyle's TA, Brewberry's TA. Brewberry's live streams. Beautiful setups by Thesis. So a great group of people, a great community built on kindness, no douche canoes. $1 a day, help you learn how to trade, not extortionate. The most value, in my opinion, in the crypto world for the cheapest price. And that's kind of how we keep it. We don't need your money. We make money off of trading. Traders helping traders. That's kind of how we roll. YouTuber second, trader first. That's very important to me. Spoil a trade from Discord. You have a sell signal on BTC monthly candle using Cypher A. Monthly, man. That's monthly. You don't use the Oscillator Pro Plus. We check the Oscillator Pro Plus every now and then on Chart Prime. I am sponsored by CryptoFace. Has sponsored this channel. Market Cypher is all I need. An oscillator is a very simple tool. And Market Cipher gives me everything I really need from an oscillator. I don't need a fancy oscillator. Coming into VWAP here, a little rejection down. Very slow price action. I'm still waiting. Like I said, I want to see the bounce out. Continuation trade back up. Still corrective. Means we can come for this low in here. So you don't want to just jump the gun here with a long, okay? And patience. Coming into VWAP, first touch. Rolling down. Bounce. Little bounce. Little bounce. Try to follow through here. Little bounce. No trade yet. Volume picking up here. Trying to push through. No trade yet. Bull divs short term. A little bit of a bounce here. No follow through. No trade yet. See if the second candle here. Want to see strength in the second candle here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Looks like a fake out to me. 1 minute time frame. Volume picking up in that candle. Pushback, quite aggressive pushback here on this candle. Looking for follow through here. No follow through yet. Low volume still. Market's not open until another 12 minutes, everybody. So not rushing this trade. That's not a good close. That's bearish. Minute and a half for this candle here. Let's see how this goes. This looks like we got one more down move like this, right? No trade yet. Stalling out here. Don't like when it stalls out on VWAP. Remember, we have reversed trend here after breaking structure here. So this can follow through very easily. We don't want to rush this trade here, especially going into market open. Still waiting. Previous day open below us here. Order block down below us. Liquidity at this low in here. Still room to come into here. I'd much rather take this trade right here than just jump the gun right now. Waiting. Little pushback here. 1 minute candle. Pushback. Okay. Holding. Retesting the previous low here. That's a retest perfectly into the previous low. Breaking down from there. 8 seconds on this candle. Pushing back, trying to break it. Nice candle close. Not a lot of strength in this move here. Volume to the downside, volume decrease on that candle pushback. Suggesting continuation to the downside. No trade. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Bounce off VWAP. We're going to get like a little hidden bullish divergence in here as well. Okay, you can see that. Double top, rejection at golden pocket. Putting in a low here. Mitigation of this low. No strength yet. Still waiting. Streamlabs not working today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. I think we're headed to weekly VWAP. VWAP, where's that? Where's the weekly? 97.3. Okay. 12-minute head and shoulders. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. We were talking about cookies before. Now we're talking about, you guys think 100K first day? 69% of you guys. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Cup and handle on the 4 hour. I saw a nice cup and handle actually on Sui. If you guys are looking at a cup and handle, look at this. There's your 15-minute cup and handle. Perfect. On Sui. Okay, looks like a teacup. A teacup, mate. I'm not a cup and handle trader, okay? I'm a VWAP wop. Italian who trades the VWAP. Who would have thought? I'm a VWAP wop. Alexo Crypto. I do like this bull div in here. 50-minute trigger. Continuation to the downside. Lots of liquidity in the lows in here, right? Let's not forget that, right? This is, yes, it chopped its way up here, but it's still liquidity, okay? There's still liquidity in these lows for price to come back and attack, okay? This looks like it's going to blast right through VWAP. How do you feel about Toshi? I've never heard of Toshi. I've heard of Satoshi. The silhouette shoe trader. That's me, man. Yeah. That's me. Weak at the knees. Cup and handle on the 4 hour. What VWAP indicator do you use? I think they've answered that. Inverse cup and handle on Bitcoin. Watch out. And what on the 4 hour is supposed to look like? And a cup and handle, 4 hour? I don't know what you're looking at here. Bitcoin rolling over. Good patience so far. I don't know what you're seeing in here. I don't see no cup and handle. I see a breakout retest continuation possibly. No cup and handle in this 4 hour. I don't know what you guys are looking at. Or you're drawing this thing. I mean, it's a weird cup, man. It's not really a rounded bottom. I mean, you could call it something. I wouldn't call that rounded. I would call that a bull div. Lower low, bull div, continuation trade. Mitigation of the low. But you can call it whatever you want as long as it makes you money. I mean, I call some price action some pretty weird shit. But it works. It works, right? We got our big balloon dog right now. Okay? Can it break out? You tell me. You tell me. Got a double humped camel here. I don't care what you call it. Good risk management, back-tested, profitable strategy. Patience, patience, patience. Not patient, you know. You will get burned if you're not patient. Good no trade right now, right? We could have taken that. We would have been underwater already, right? Momentum to the downside. Coming into our key area right now. Got a bounce level in here. We'll see if we do hold coming into market open. We got about 3 minutes till market opens. 2 minutes, actually. So 2 minutes till market open. Best to wait, in my opinion. We'll see how it goes. It's weird. There's been some trades in the AM, like the 8 till 9 stretch, but I guess the long off of the VWAP in here was available, but nothing I would take. We didn't even come in fully, so into double top here. We could have got short off the golden pocket here, taking this down. Not something I was looking to take either. Very choppy price action this morning. But thank you everybody for being here and hanging out. It's always a good time here, hanging out with you guys. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Let's see where the audience is from. Okay, where you from? We'll go North America. We'll go Europe. I think Nick's in Africa. South Africa. Where else should we go? Where else are we going to go? South America? South America? Maybe some of you guys are from China. Australian. Mars. Let's go. Philippines. Beautiful. Okay, holding VWAP here into market open. This looks like a bear flag. Looks like it's going to roll over. Mitigation of the low. Continuation down. We do have this hidden bull div, man. Oof. Oh, man. Am I being a chicken shit? Should I? Nah, I'm not going to ask if I should long it. I see an inverse balloon octopus with bat wings. Let's go. Joe Bell. Massive cup in handy. Look at the larger picture. I'm sure if you zoomed out, yeah. I do love the buns, man. China, Brazil, Toronto, Richard Price. You are my neighbor, Richard Price. Thank you for being here. I'm born and raised Toronto. I grew up at Queen and Broadview, man. Queen and Broadview, right downtown, near Jilly's. If you know Toronto, you know what I'm talking about. Girls, 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 fun, fun, fun. Let's go. Oh, Richard Price. You probably know. You probably know. Africa, roughly Toronto. Canada, let's go. Taiwan, that's cool, man. Taiwan on. Russia. Thank you for being here, Russia. California, that's awesome. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. Hopefully you guys, your house didn't get burnt down. Market is open. S&P gapping up. Okay, this thing continues to rip to the upside. The S&P is looking strong. US 100, our latest NASDAQ endeavor here that we are going to follow throughout the day here. We'll see how this materializes for our confluence. Okay, S&P gapping up, coming back down. Bitcoin flat right now, coming into VWAP. Like I said, looks like a bear flag. Looks like it wants to roll over. No trade as of yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. Shout out to you guys who are here hanging out with me. You could be on the million YouTubes, wherever, but you're here hanging out. So thank you for being here. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Discord. Limited time only, $1 a day promotion going on until we hit 10,000 subscribers. Okay, I'll cut it off when we hit 10,000 subscribers. No more deals on the Discord after that. We got enough of you rascals to deal with. You guys are incredible. Okay, push down here on Bitcoin. Looking for a mitigation of the low now. So let's just lower this in here. Mitigation of this low. Pushing through VWAP. Can we reclaim VWAP? If we reclaim VWAP, we get long. Trying to reclaim here. Sweeping the lows. Sweeping the lows. No reclaim yet. Break it down now. Reclaiming VWAP? Are we doing it? US 100 dumping hard. SPY. pushing down. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Reclaim. Pushing. Oh, man. Pushing, trying to reclaim here. Seems as though we're reclaimed here. Big buy up. Big buy up. They're going to fire off the long here. Didn't get filled. I'm not chasing this. If we come back down, I'll get in, but I didn't get filled. Maybe I should have marketed in. Damn. Running away from me. Did anybody get long off that? I didn't get filled. That's annoying. That's annoying, guys. Didn't get filled. Sitting here waiting, man. Waiting for the bus. Sitting here waiting for the bus. That's annoying. Wait for a retest back in here. Looking a little bit higher here. We'll see. See if we come down for a retest back in. Did anybody get in on that? Damn. I got it. Yeah, you guys would. You guys would. A little bit. I'm going to go half a position size here if we do get filled. Coming back in. You guys would, man. Jeez. You guys got filled, did you? Let me know if you got in that long. I'm a bit jealous now. Oh, man. You guys got in. Put a 1 in the chat if you got in. I didn't get filled. Pissed off, actually. I'm in third winner today. Let's go, Blair. 1's in the chat if you got long off the VWAP reclamation. You guys, come on. You're making me jealous now. You're making me jealous now. You made so many people money you won even if you didn't get in. Ah. Now I want to FOMO in, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna be jealous. I'm gonna sit here and be jealous with my limit order. Congratulations, everybody, on your win. Am I allowed to say it? Fuck. Oh, man. Okay, let's look for the next one. That was bread and butter, man. Reclaim VWAP. Bouncing back up. Coming back in here. 3 drives here. Look for a retest back in here. I don't want to buy the top. I'll buy halfway down. I'll buy in here. Stop loss below VWAP. If we come back. Might not come back, though. S&P. Still rolling over a little bit here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. You guys crushing it, man. I can't be upset. I'm going to be, though. Fuck. BS, man. You guys crushing it. How did I not get filled there? That's annoying. That's annoying. Look at all you guys. It'll retest, eh? Yeah. East long now. Oof. Suey long now. East long now. Let's go. East long setup given to you guys in advance. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Running away. Running away. Running away. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Thank you, Alex. You're a real G. No problem, man. Just a little frustrated. A little frustrated. Great job, everybody. I'm glad you all made money. I'm glad you all made money. You guys are beautiful people, man. Coming back down right now. Coming back down. Don't forget to pay yourself. That would have been TP1 for sure. TP1, look at that. Beautiful little trade here. Retest the previous highs. I'm looking lower. Looking lower. Nice push up here for Bitcoin. That's a 786 test. Nasty wick down. Looking to get in here possibly. A little lower. I'm looking somewhere around here. Continuation. Not filled. A little frustrated. Okay. Okay, I'm getting in. I'm in here. Push, baby. Push, baby. Come on. We're going to get up to these highs. We'll see if we get in. I am in here. Right off that wick test in here. We'll see if we do continue to push. Would have liked to be in lower, but that's how it goes sometimes. For this trigger wave to play out, we'll see if it does want to continue up. Might be a little bit late to the show, guys. Might be a little bit late. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push, man. Let's go. Time to go. Big wick up in here. I don't know if I like this. Big wick energy, you know? Got to watch out for that big wick energy. Looking for a continuation here. We'll see if we get it. US 100 pushing. S&P pushing. Stop loss. Half a position size. Stop loss is below this low here. It's got to go. Got to go now or never. Come on, Bitcoin. The only thing that really concerns me is that 1 hour, right, coming out. The 1 hour coming out's a little bit nasty. View up trying to come back in. Rolling over a little bit here now. Indecision candle, 15-minute. Trying to push back through. Coming back down. Okay, That wasn't a smart move. I don't think that was a smart move here. Coming down to VWAP, see if we bounce. I could add here. Not gonna. Stop loss just below in here. Look at the liquidity. Big roll over here. Sweep of the highs, rolling back down. Bounce off VWAP. Bounce off VWAP. Come on, baby. Silly trade. Really? Really silly trade. I'm going to cut her loose here pretty soon. If we come back, break even, I'll take it off. Like I said, kind of forced if we come back up. I don't know if we will. Dang it. Going from euphoric to Dora the Exploric. I don't know what to call it. Either we hold here or we don't. Very clear. Doesn't look like we're going to hold. Looks like we're rolling over, probably coming back down to 97.2. Yeah. Damn. Stopped out. That's okay. Definitely rush that trade. Rolling over here hard. But I got to pay yourself on those moves. Rolling over here hard. Sweeping the liquidity of this low here. That's good. It's a good sweep. Coming down to our previous daily open. Trying to bounce out of here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Damn. So we had the trade. We didn't take the trade. Now we're bouncing again. Of course. Which is fine. Fine wine, baby. Bouncing off of that daily open from yesterday. Pretty cool. Good bounce. This is a good bounce. I like this bounce out of here. Are we looking for a reclaim of the VWAP again? Are we back to this again? Is it gonna round trip us? Very, very choppy price action here, guys. So be careful. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I'm in. What's up, Alex O? Off near. Good to see you, man. How you been? Retested the VWAP rejection down now. Possible continuation down. 405 people watching here. Just took an L. A little bit of a FOMO trade here. Might look to re-enter if we can reclaim VWAP. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears, sweeping up and down. Trying to reclaim VWAP here. It's got to be clean here. We got to see the trigger wave coming in. Got to at least push back halfway up this candle here. Really good bounce. Mitigation of this low. It's kind of what we were looking for off the hop. That's pretty good. Push into here. Order block in here. Look at this Darth Maul candle, man. That's nasty. That's nasty. You can't control that. All you can do is use the stop loss in a situation like that. Money coming out on the 15. Just a nice sweep, though. I do like the sweep. If we come lower, it's definitely 97.2. Darth Maul's in the house. 24-minute trigger wave, which is good. 24-minute trigger. Could push us up here. 1 minute on 24 minute. Got to get pushed up here for this to close positive. It's got to get pushed up. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 400 people, man. 192 likes. Thank you guys so much for being here. Okay, reclaiming here. Okay, halfway up the candle. Retest a VWAP. It's got to hold VWAP. We can get long if we do hold VWAP. Just waiting here. Pretty scammy price action, I'll tell you that much. 197 likes, awesome. Thank you so much. We're almost at 200. That's pretty cool. Thank you for subscribing. We're almost at 7,000, guys. So thank you so much for being here and hanging out with me. If you do want to come and trade with us, you can join the Discord. $1 a day promotion until we hit 10,000, then the price will go up. You lock in your price. It's just like Bitcoin. You get the price you deserve. Not holding VWAP here. Volume coming in. Big push on the US 100. S&P. NASDAQ is down though. So lagging. So I've been taught that NASDAQ lags. So we're going to push up here. Okay. Looking for a recovery here. Trying to hold VWAP here. 3 minute. Candle close above VWAP. Like to see follow through here. We need follow through. Otherwise, we don't take the trade, and this continues downwards. If we reclaim here, we can get long and look to target up into our liquidity at the highs here. I need to see reclaim, though. Okay, that looks strong. That looks strong. So far, so good. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. No long yet. Still waiting. Ten seconds for candle close. Can we close positively? If we close above, if we push this candle up here, I'll enter. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice candle close. Push back. Hold VWAP. Are we going to chop VWAP all morning or what? VWAP going to do me like that again, eh, guys? We gotta have a conversation with VWAP, man. It's been an interesting past couple of weeks. You know what I mean? Am I reading it wrong? What do you guys think? You think I'm reading it wrong? I mean, the reclaim long there, that was perfect. That would have been a perfect entry, perfect take profit, right? That would have been a perfect long. Don't do it, Alex. Don't long here. Okay. Get in now. 5 minute does look ugly. We do have money coming back in. No trade yet. Just waiting. Like we do have a lot of liquidity below us here. This is a very nice sweep, though. You can see that got bought up quite quickly, okay? But no trade yet. Want to see strength in this move, right? No strength, really. This is just a downtrend, right? Mitigation of the lows. Roll over here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Okay. Definitely an emotional loss trying to take this long. And I got humbled by the market. Okay, so that's life. That's the way it is. Things will never be the same. VWAP retest rolling over. So basically chopping VWAP right now. Chopping VWAP here, rolling over a bit. So here's our previous high that we have swept, looking for a bounce out of here. If we reclaim VWAP with strength here, could get long. I need to see money pushing here. US 100 is ripping. S&P's pushing to the upside as well. ETH struggling as well, rolling over. What's Russell doing? Russell's rolling over as well. So Asia pushing us up. New York pushing us down. It's a tug of war. It's like tariff wars on the trading world right now. Thank you for the 200 likes. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. Pretty nasty price action, eh, friends? Look at this. Like, fake out on VWAP. Golden pocket double top rejection. Blasting through VWAP, reclaim, missed the long. Tried to get the continuation trade, got faked out, stopped out. Fake back up to VWAP, so people are getting long off that reclaim. We didn't. Good job, good control there. Now rolling over. This is just rolling over. 97,200 is our next level. Or we reclaim VWAP with strength, with volume, holding, candle closes, and we go. That's the other option. But for now, there's no trade. Yeah, this is continuation. This is cascading, as I would call it. It's like waterfalls, right? You push up, you cascade until you get that change in structure. Then you go higher, low, and continuation trade, possibly long there. Otherwise, this is big rejection. Okay? Let's see. I mean, this could bounce at any time. It's just we have some resistance in front of us here, so we don't want to take a trade for a 0.3% move. We want to see strength in the pushback. No strength so far. Okay? So we wait. I need a Jason Casper pump song right now. That's what I think I need. Some JC Casper magic. I'm about to jump in, says Forever Franco. All right, man. Get it, brother. Leading into the weekend. Money flows coming out. Yep. Go long now. Are you guys longing? Philip Collins says long. Exclamation mark. Get the plunger. Ben Sands has been silenced. How's that 24-minute trigger wave looking? Falling out. Yeah. Not looking good. That 1 hour was kind of the the leading indicator this morning, right? You know, there's hopium in the 4-hour anchor trigger wave. That's our hopium here. But we also noticed that VWAP was posturing pretty high, so can come out before resetting. Money coming in here. 3-hour. 2-hour money coming in but rolling over. Trigger wave, right? Anchor, trigger, trigger. Okay. A lot of people look at the 90-minute to confirm their daily. 90 minutes trigger wave 2 as well to the downside. Yeah, this is nasty looking. Sweep of the highs, rolling over, right? We all can see it. So what we're looking for, if we're going to get long, it needs to be a reclaim of this level in here at 98,000. Otherwise, we're looking lower, and we're looking for some sort of bounce in here, coming down in here, and continuation out. Otherwise, we're looking to get short on maybe a retest continuation in here. Keeping it very simple. We had the one set up, and we missed the trade, and then we emotionally traded. So a lot to learn here. Always something to learn here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm not seeing it today. I saw it and then it ran away from me. So always a lesson to be learned. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing, joining me in the mornings, hanging out here. And remember, chocolate chip cookies are the way. All right. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And thank you for being here. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party.